Hey everybody, guess what we have today? Another low light muzzle flash test. Today we have the CZ Scorpion Evo 3 SBR. We'll see what the longer 7.7 inch barrel does for muzzle flash on a 9mm. I got some Yavex in here, which is close to NATO spec, so it's a little warmer, so we'll see what it does against our white backdrop here. Let's turn out the lights. I can definitely see a little bit of muzzle flash, but I can still maintain forward sight picture, so that's good. Thanks for watching, everybody.